Okay. Greetings to everybody who is listening to this lecture. The title of this lecture is ESAGU, Experiences of Building. Who is listening to this lecture? My name is P. Krishna Reddy. I am working as a professor at IIIT Hyderabad, Telangana State in India. The title of this lecture is ESAGU, Experiences of Building an IT-based farm-specific and location-specific agro-advisory system. Over last 2 decades, I am making an efforts to build agricultural information delivery systems to farmers by extending developments in IT to agriculture. So, in this lecture, I am going to share experiences of building especially two systems. One is farm-specific agro-advisory system and location-specific agro-advisory system. Outline of this presentation is as follows. First, I will explain the background. Next, I will explain the ESAGU. ESAGU is the main project name. Here, SAGU means cultivation in Telugu language. ESAGU, an IT-based farm-specific advisory system. Under the title, I will explain the methodology and experiences. Next, we have executed another project, ESAGU, an IT-based location-specific advisory system. I will explain the motivation, methodology, and experiences. Then finally, I conclude the talk. So overall, so this is the framework of developing, extending IT to any livelihood technology. In the left side, you see there are agriculture technology, education methodologies, medical technologies, artisan technologies, employment generation, resource distribution, and efficient governance. On the right side, we have a rural population with mobile phones, especially mobile phones, because we have got a mobile phones to almost to everybody, every family. The characteristic of our rural population is rural and urban poor, uneducated farmers, unemployed youth, undernourished and having little incomes. But over last even 3-4 decades, we can see that the ICT technology has emerged. So the ICTs include everything: internet and mobile network, decision support systems, parallel access, online access, information service delivery frameworks, cloud, big data, data science, Facebook, all kinds of developments come under ICTs, information communication technologies. The important point here is that there is opportunity to improve livelihood technologies by extending ICTs to livelihood technologies. So in this lecture, I am going to share 2 such efforts where I tried to build agro information delivery systems by extending developments in ICTs to agricultural technology. So coming to agriculture, these are some of the issues in agriculture everybody knows. So from 1951 to 52, from 50 million ton to we have reached 250 million ton. But now the future projection is we have to reach to 400 million ton. So in addition, India had witnessed the white revolution, yellow revolution, blue revolution, and all these kinds of revolutions. But unfortunately, 27% of farmers are not satisfied with the farming as a source of livelihood. 40% would quit farming if they had a choice. So these are some disturbing things in Indian agriculture. So the overall issue is that how to improve the food productivity and how to improve the agriculture in the context of this kind of situation. So overall, we require a green plus IT revolution, agriculture plus IT revolution. So what are the factors for farming crisis? Lot of evaluation reports, if you go through them, several of them are published by social scientists and economists. So overall, if you go through those reports, these are the factors for farming community crisis: seed failure,